fall to the floor.
What is going on, you guys? And so today I want to do like a small contest. So if you guys did not know, I'm going to Hawaii in a couple days, so I'm going to do a small contest. So if you guys comment down below, leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down your IGN and what server you actually want it on. I'm going to do a small, like, it's not going to be a ginormous giveaway, but a small giveaway for not being able to upload consecutively. It's because I'm going to Hawaii, guys, so I'm pre-recording, so I'll have videos out some days. But yeah, guys, I want you guys to leave all the information that I said. So your IGN, what server you want it on, you must subscribe, leave a like, and comment, and I'll give you guys either 5 to 10 rare keys on DCG, or 3 to 5 crate keys on Archon, guys. Comment down below, and yeah, let's aim for 20 likes maybe. And I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to comment. I will be revealing the winners actually on next Sunday. Yeah, next Sunday, guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys can win. There's a little speed build, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Some Master Builders server IP will be in the description below, and I'll see you guys later.